On an investigation, Malaysia is deeply concerned that the crash site has not been properly secured. The integrity of the site has been compromised, and there are indications that vital evidence has not been preserved in place. Interfering with the scene of the crash risks undermining the investigation itself. Any action that prevents us from learning the truth about what happened to MH17 cannot be tolerated. Failure to stop such interference would be a betrayal of the lives that we lost. Malaysia calls for all parties to protect the integrity of the crash site and to allow the investigation to proceed. We urge all those involved to respect the families and the nations who have lost their sons and daughters in this attack. On the flight path, on the matter of MH17's flight path, I would like to refer to recent reported comments by officials from Eurocontrol, the body which approved European flights path under ICAO rules. According to the Wall Street Journal, the officials stated that some 400 commercial flights, including 150 international flights, crossed eastern Ukraine daily before the crash. Officials from Eurocontrol also stated that in the 2 days before the incident, 75 different airlines flew the same route as MH17. MH17's flight path was a busy major airways, like a highway in the sky. It followed a route which was set out by the International Aviation Authorities, approved by Eurocontrol, and used by hundreds of other aircraft. It flew at an altitude set and deemed safe by the local air traffic control, and it never strayed into restricted airspace. The flight and its operators followed the rules, but on the ground, the rules of war were broken. In an unacceptable act of aggression, it appears that MH17 was shot down, its passengers and crew killed by a missile. Saya nak jelaskan juga bahawa laluan tersebut dengan laluan yang dikatakan bahaya, jaraknya lebih kurang 100 km away. Memang jauh. Kalau kita lihat bahawa kawasan yang diberi amaran adalah kawasan yang di sebelah selatan, laluan kita adalah laluan di sebelah utara, 100 km jauh bezanya.
I also like to add, before MH17, there's a Thai international aircraft flying in that area. Uzbek, the Singapore Airlines as well, on the same route.
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, there are more than 15 flights, airlines from the Asia Pacific region using that route. So it is what we call a very busy highway